Hi everyone, how are you doing today? So I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing for you today. So, I really wanted to stick to the low buy or the no buy lifestyle. So that's why, I tend to look for things on the secondhand pre-loved market so that, I can reduce the spending, and if things I really need to buy it, I would put it on a list and really just think about consciously about if I need to make that purchase. But anyway, today I purchased something from Fashion File and I wanted to do a quick unboxing for you. So let's see what I have. So obviously the box is, they give you this little nail file. This says Fashion File, and this is the receipt, and they usually have these little pink and gray polka dots, confetti, tissue paper. Use is the new. So it come in with their own dust bag. And yes, it is Hermes. They have this little rubber band, I guess, just to hold it in place. It does come with its own dust bag. It's a lot of layers. So here we go. So I did purchase this Kelly dog leather bracelet. Now the reason usually I don't spend so much on custom jewelry, but since the fact that it is gold, it's 18 karat gold plated, and this Kelly closure, it is inspired by the Kelly bag that was created in 1930s. This turret clasp is the signature of the Hermes house of fashion. So, just a little bit about this bracelet. It is calfskin leather, and I believe they come in different colors, depends on the season, but the width is 1.4 inches, and it comes in 3 sizes. They call it T1, T2, T3, and the measurement, it goes 5.3 inches to 5.7 inches. So anyways, the clasp you turn, and obviously they have these tags on it, which it's a little bit hard to oh, there we go. There you go, you turn it, and here is the bracelet. So I think, obviously it kind of goes with what I'm wearing today. I make this purchase again because the gold, it's 18 karat plated, and it is a little bit edgy with the leather and the gold. So this is my purchase, and hopefully I get to wear it because I believe black and gold is a good combination. So a lot of the times that you could just throw this on, and it adds a instant style to whatever you're wearing. So that is my unboxing for you today. So if you do like this kind of video, please give a thumbs up and comment down below if you purchase jewelry on a pre-love or secondhand market, or like any other things that you would purchase on a pre-love market. So hope to see you next time.